Separate! Bicep!
ఈ యొక్క పోలీస్ క్రీడా నుంచి ఎం నర్సిరెడ్డి ఆర్ఎస్ఐ భువనగిరి కంటింజెంట్ హెడెడ్ బై పి వెంకటేష్ ఆర్ఎస్ఐ గారు సిఆర్ హెడ్ క్వార్టర్ అమర్పేట్ కంటింజెంట్ Malkajgiri Zone Contingent Commander Hariprasad Sub Inspector. And MP Nagar Zone RPG Officer Commander. Traffic Wing Contingent Commander P. Venkatesh Officer. And other wing in the Nursery Contingent Commander. Akanda Yadadri Bhuvanagiri Contingent Commander P. Venkatesh, retired Army Sub Inspector.
Hello, what?
Director General గారిని వెల్కమ్ అడ్రస్ ఇవ్వాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను. స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది.
Track number 2, sir. Sir, PC 1156, sir. Track number 4, sir. PC 8165, sir. C. Rajesh Kumar, Forest Guard. Track number 5, sir. Sir, SC 445, sir. Balaji, sir. Traffic, sir. Track number 5, camera. Put the bed, please. Put the bed in the place, brother. Put the bed. Brother, hello. On your mark. Shut.
వీళ్ళు జరగాలి కదా.
వీళ్ళు లేదు
సార్ వీడియోలో
Okay, next, ready. Ready.
bonus point.
ఈ యొక్క పోలీస్ క్రీడోత్సవాల్లో సుమారు 6 కంటింజెంట్ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నాయి. ఈచ్ కంటింజెంట్ కన్సిస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ 23 players. First contingent, our headquarters, headed by Prakash Kumar, RSI. Malkajgiri contingent M. Narsiredi, RSI. Bhuvanagiri contingent, headed by P. Venkat, RSI Governor. DR headquarters, Amberpet. Contingent. Malkajgiri Zone Contingent Commander Hariprasad, Sub Inspector. And LB Nagar Zone RPG Officer Commander. Traffic Wing Contingent Commander P. Venkatesh, Officer. And other wing and the Narsiredi Contingent Commander. Akanda Yadadri Bhuvanagiri Contingent Commander P. Venkatesh, retired Army Sub-Inspector. National Director General Garni, welcome address ఇవ్వాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను. స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది.
Track number 2, sir. Sir, PC 1156, sir. Rajesh Nayak. Track number 4, sir. PC 8165, sir. C. Rajesh Kumar, Forest Guard. Track number 5, sir. Sir, SC 445, sir. Balaji, sir. Traffic Wing, sir. Track number camera. Put the bait on, please. Put the bait on, brother. Put the bait on. Brother, hello. Shit.
వీళ్ళు జరగాలి కదా.
సార్ వీడియోలో
Okay, next, ready. Ready.
One bonus point.
GR headquarters, number 5. Contingent. Malkajgiri Road, Contingent Commander Hariprasad, Sub Inspector. LB Nagar Zone, Traffic Officer, Commando. Traffic Wing Contingent Commander G. Venkatesh, Officer. And other wing and the Nursery Contingent Commander. Contingent Commander P. Venkatesh, Retired Army Sub Inspector. Good, Shabash. గౌరవనీయులు రాచకొండ పోలీస్ కమిషనర్ శ్రీ మహేష్ ఎం భగవత్ ఐపీఎస్ అడిషనల్ డైరెక్టర్ జనరల్ గారిని వెల్కమ్ అడ్రస్ ఇవ్వాల్సిందిగా కోరుతుంది. ఈ యొక్క పోలీస్ క్రీడోత్సవాల్లో సుమారు 6 కంటింజెంట్ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నాయి. ఈచ్ కంటింజెంట్ కన్సిస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ 23 players. First contingent, our headquarters, headed by Prakash Kumar, RSI. Malkajgiri contingent.
Malau Paiketan, Sunana. Ready, sir.
Today I am very happy to be here for the inauguration of sports meet of Rachakonda Police Commissionerate. I congratulate the CP Shri Mahesh Bhagwat and his team of officers for this wonderful arrangements, and I wish them all the best, and also all the participants, may the best man win, and I convey my greetings to all staff and all the athletes who are taking part in this sports meet. All the best to them, and also to our CP. Thank you.
After 2 years of Corona, we have started 2021-22 our Rachakonda sports meet at Sarvanagar Stadium today. 35 events are there, and 4 days the sports meet will be there. We are lucky to have our Principal Secretary home, in charge Technical Services Additional DG and Road Safety Chairman, Sri Ravi Gupta sir, as the chief guest to inaugurate this program. There are 35 events, and these events will be there in Sarvanagar Indoor Stadium, Outdoor Stadium, LB Stadium, Oshamal Stadium. There are 7 teams. The closing ceremony will be on 10th of this month, and our Principal Secretary Finance, K. Ramakrishnan Rao sir, will be the chief guest. On Friday 10th, between media and police, there is a friendly cricket match also at Uppal Cricket Stadium. So these 4 days of this leisure time, our Rachakonda police having, definitely that will rejuvenate them for further harder task. For last 2 years, each and every personnel of our Rachakonda police, under leadership of our DGP, our Home Secretary, they have done their best, and that's the reason out of 2,100 and odd who suffered with Corona, everyone has come out positive. So once again, my gratitude to Ravi Gupta sir for gracing this occasion. Thank you.
Olympic medal winner
Gagan Narang, he was the chief guest then. After that, almost after 2 years, we are organizing this sports meet. I'm very happy that our chief guest of today's program, Ravi Gupta sir, has accepted our invitation. In fact, in July 99, when I got transferred from Manipur cadre to Andhra Pradesh cadre, my first posting was ASP Grade 1, Eluru in West Godavari district, where I started working under Sir only. Sir was Superintendent of Police of West Godavari. For 1 year period, because of that training and exposure given to me by Sir, I laid my foundation in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and I am proud of that. Sir has worked in different capacity in our state as a DIG of Warangal range and technical services. Sir is expert in computer and technical services. The Home Department, this is the second time Sir is getting posted to Home Department. That itself shows the kind of bond which is required between the government and police. Sir is able to provide that leadership. So thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. My request to all the sportsmen that all these games play with true spirit. The umpire decision will be final. There should not be any second opinion for that. And enjoy these 4 days. Be away from all the tension. For organizing this beautiful program, I must thank the entire organizing committee under leadership of our DCP admin, then supported by our additional DCPs of AR, Shamir, Lakshmi Narayana and Bhaskar, and this sports meet of 2020. Just in time, 4 days events will be commenced from today, and on 10th closing ceremony has been organized with Principal Secretary Finance Sri K. Ramkrishna Rao sir as the chief guest. In this 4 days event, we have cricket matches going on already, volleyball, basketball, kabaddi, football, very popular tug of war, 100-meter running, 200-meter running, 400 meters, 800, 1500, 5000, 10,000, then 4 into 100 relay, 4 into 400 relay, high jump, long jump, shot put, discus throw, javelin throw, hammer throw, tennis-quoit double, tennis-quoit single, handball, badminton single and doubles. Then again for the officers, separate badminton, SP and above officers, tennis single and double for inspector and above, table tennis single and double for ACP and above. Then judo, boxing, wrestling, weightlifting, gymnastics. Around 35 events are there in different stadiums. This is Sarvnagar Indoor Stadium and Outdoor Stadium where majority of the events will be having. Along with that, Goshamal Stadium, we will be having some events there. Then LB Stadium also, some events are organized. And cricket matches are there in the zonal grounds. On Friday, there is one friendly match also between the media and police organized at Uppal Cricket Stadium. This 4-day sports event will definitely help our officers, our Rajkonda men to rejuvenate and work hard for the forthcoming year. 2019 February, it was the last sports meet organized on this stadium only, where Padma Shri Olympic medal winner Gagan Narang, he was the chief guest then. After
Mentoring aspirants to qualify for top jobs in the country, including the civil services, have also been recognized. As a cadre, as the IPS cadre of the state, we are proud of him. That many of his students, let me say students or aspirants who have been mentored by him, have been successful and made it to the top services. It's only selfless work which he has done. I congratulate him for that again, and I am sure this great work, the good work will continue. I would like to thank CP Rachakonda and also his team of officers and all those who have worked in the background to make this sports meet a successful. It's going to be successful for the next 4 days, and for inviting me for this inauguration ceremony. And the enthusiasm which I could see in the march past, the wonderful march past that all of you exhibited, the same enthusiasm will be evident in the next 4 days, and you will have a great time. Enjoy yourselves, flex your muscles, and forget the official duties for the next 4 days. All those who are participating, utilize this time to create friendship, bondings, camaraderie, sportsman spirit, etc., and have fun. Congratulations once again, and I thank you for giving me an opportunity to share my views with you. Rachakonda, within such a short span of time, the commissionerate has carved a name for itself. It's creditable that within 5 years, so much of good work has been turned out, which has been recognized not only nationally, but internationally. It's all due to the dynamic leadership of your CP, and you are fortunate to be working under him. While facing difficult times during this COVID pandemic for the last 2 years, it must be a welcome change for all of you to have this sports meet. I am sure it will be a great stress buster for all of you. I do not say that the pandemic is over. New variants keep coming up now and then, and you need to take precautions still. But this being the right time, when the case load is low, we don't know what will happen in the future. Last 2 years, you could not have the sports meet because of this pandemic. So after 2019, it's a wonderful occasion that now you are able to hold this sports meet. We know that health is of paramount importance to all of us in our life. No matter how rich you are, no matter what assets you possess, the biggest asset you have is health. Somebody has rightly said, health is wealth. As police officers, we tend to ignore our physical fitness as we are too busy with our official routine work. I would like to remind you that fitness comes, first comes health, then comes anything else. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. It's good that for the next 4 days, you will be competing in various events, 35 plus events. And I am sure the best will definitely come out from all of you. I am looking forward to very healthy competition amongst all of you. The results may be good for some, may not be good for some. Some will get medals, some may not get medals, but it doesn't really matter. It's participation which matters, and winning and losing is a part of a game. And participation is the only thing which makes a difference. So remember, whether you win or not, all of you are winners. True sportsman spirit, camaraderie, and all will be exhibited during the next 4 days. Being social, you will be connecting with CP Rachakonda, additional CP Rachakonda, Sudhir Babu, DCPs, Manpreet, Rakshita, Narayan Reddy, other officers, all ACPs, and dear friends. First of all, good morning to all of you. It is indeed a pleasure to be here for the opening ceremony of the 4th annual sports meet of Rachakonda Police. As Mahesh said, the last 2 years have been very stressful for everyone, especially the police. I must say that the entire force of Rachakonda Police Commissionerate has done a wonderful job during the pandemic. There were great risks, but being frontline workers, still you have come forward without hesitation and served the public. It is evident from the positive stories published in the media and also the appreciation received from the public. Hearty congratulations for that. Despite being formed in 2016, Rachakonda Commissionerate, with such a vast area under its jurisdiction and with jurisdiction extending to urban and rural areas, under the able leadership